friends, today I will make pets using numbers 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's start. First we will do 1, then 2, then 3 touch here, then 4, then 2, 5, then 6, then 7. It's make a pet. You can see. Like, subscribe and share and comment my video. Thank you.